Hey everyone, welcome back. I've got a short, quick video for everyone. This is a vehicle that I'm very much obsessed with. This is the BMW M4 G82, and this is a full carbon body fiber kit by ADRO or ADRO. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right or incorrect, but nevertheless, a beautiful car. They've made a beautiful car. Just the design overall, like the body kit is absolutely incredible. So it looks like these are the parts that they supply. These are the specific parts that they supply, and this is the final work. Absolutely beautiful. Since I've seen this vehicle on Instagram, I've been fairly obsessed with this vehicle from every single angle. Now this is a different one. This is probably that's gray and that's a dark kind of matte gray with a lot of silver in it. So very beautiful vehicle. But this one with gray, dark gray, because it's not black, but it's dark gray, is very interesting because it's not completely black. And it's like they dropped a little bit of blue in this vehicle. Honestly, it's a little bit similar to my own vehicle. But I do love the color. I am obsessed with the color of this vehicle and the vehicle itself as well. This is what it looks like from other angles. You know, it's just quite incredible. Now, as for the side skirts, I'm not sure if I'd go with those side skirts, but I love the front end. Absolutely incredible. I love the rear diffuser. Absolutely incredible. But as for the side skirt, I'm not 100% sure. I'd like to see it in person. Let me know. Am I the only fan on this channel of the M4, especially the G82? Am I the only fan? I can't be. There has to be some other M4 fans on the channel. Currently, I've got a 1 Series, so quite happy with that for now anyway. But it's always good to keep an eye on something else as well. And what I really like about this car is just how customizable it is. I've seen quite a few different versions in quite a few different colors. Even in concept, this car looks incredibly amazing. And I never thought I'd like a car in green, but when I saw this car in green, I actually liked it. I was like, wow, this actually looks great in green. Like I said, I've never really been a fan of cars in greens before, but it's an instant attention grabber. That's what this car is. It's an instant attention grabber, without doubt. Now, there's also the M2, the new M2, the G87. So this is a body kit. ADRO or ADRO, they also supply for this car. This is their design actually. There we go, ADRO. This is their design kit. I don't know who ADRO are, but they're designing some incredible kits for BMWs. And I've never really been a fan of the M2, but with this kit, it's really made me happy. Like, this is a car that I would buy. I would honestly buy this car. And like I said, I've never really been the biggest fan of the M2, but I'm convinced. Very lovely spoiler with carbon fiber wrapped around it. Look at the rear end. Look at the rear diffuser. Look at the lights. It's just really distinctive, very different, very new from BMW. And how can you not love this thing? Now, to be honest, initially, I thought that the supplier of this body kit was the same as the garage. The garage is completely different, apparently. I don't actually know if they have some sort of business partnership going on, but the garage name is Auto ID. I think I said that right. And the body kit was created by ADRO. So if you go to Auto ID, their site, I believe they're UK based as well, which is really nice because if I ever want my car being done, I might have to contact these guys because they seem to do a really nice job. I really like their garage, their space. Looks quite incredible, and it looks like they've got a natural act for content creation as well. So I like that kind of people. I like working with those kind of people. That's great. Really great content, really great stuff that they do. You can see their work for itself. Now it looks like this is another body kit by ADRO. I don't think it's the exact same because this is a wide body. So this is a wide body kit, and this is for the M4 G82. M4 G82. So this also looks like a damn monster. I mean, just beautiful, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I really like this one. Everything on this one is extra and aggressive. From the side skirts, the wide body design, it's just gorgeous. Like, I feel like I've always felt like I wanted one of the M4, but now I'm like, maybe I want two. One with a wide body and the other one. You just gotta have it. You just gotta have it. Beautiful car. But that's it for today. I just wanted to share this with you just to say that, I really love these cars. Let me know, are you a BMW fan? Are you an M4 fan or M2? Not to mention, are you a Mercedes fan? Because I'm a huge Mercedes fan. But Mercedes are really expensive and it's going to take me some time to get a GTR, or I also like the GT63. I like those as well. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.